Hey guys, it's your bitch and girl Jordana, and today I am back with another video. Now today we are here on some Christmas vibes. 'Tis the season, y'all. So I figured I will bring you all guys a Christmas themed video, you know? Hello. Okay, so today I'm going to be trying to recreate and just do some Christmas eyeshadow looks or makeup look, because it's about to be a whole look. And so that this video doesn't be a long video, I'm gonna do one look on one eye and another on the other. So let's get into our first look. So I went ahead and did my eyebrow just so I don't dirty up my shirt. Yeah. Okay, so we're going to go in first with the eyeshadows. So I'm gonna go in using my Beauty Glazed Color palette, and I'm also going to be dipping into my Eyeliner makeup palette. And I'll be dipping into, what is reddish orange. This shade here. Ooh, that's going to be bright. At least I think so. Just working in a tiki color. Just kind of like a brownish burgundy glow, or a little bit also on the top one. Blend them into one another. Okay, so we're just gonna blend these all in and then blend it up, but kind of like still across. I don't have a really thin brush that I would like, so I am going to use a needle, because why not? Use what you got. If you don't got hers, use cup. I'm going to set that with my translucent color a little bit. First thing about is that when this mixes with the white at the tip, it's going to come pink and not red. Definitely giving me pink palette, and I'm going to be using this shade here. And that's what I'll be using for my cut crease. Leave it light so it stands out more. Okay guys, so I think I have accomplished it as much as I could, so I'm just gonna try to bring it all together. I think I did a pretty good job, to be honest. So I don't know if this lip look is doing it for it. So I want to give y'all some green. So I'm going to use the pigments as eyeshadow going. Oh, I do not need a base. Okay guys, this is it. Come closer. I am loving. Yeah. One more to go. So first I'm gonna go with my felt pen just to mark the shape, outline it first, and then I'm going to go in with my liquid. So we're just gonna start here and go up from the bottom of your eye, going upwards. Okay, y'all got the idea. And to be honest, I could leave it like this. Well, maybe not so tacky like this, but you need to go with the white. Okay, let's just get to the mistletoe. And this green palette is from the same Beauty Glazed, and I'm going to go. Now we're gonna add color. this is the most satisfied I'm going to get with this. So yeah, obviously I could outline it white, which will make it pop more, but I feel like I should just leave it and see where that takes me. So here is my finished look. I really tried. I even think I kind of got it done. Don't look too close. On my left eye. So this is my little Christmas look. So I think that I have accomplished trying this. Tell me if y'all want me to do more Pinterest looks, more like try creating more makeup looks, because I think I need to practice more to get better at it, because I feel like I'm not good at eyeliner. But can you really tell? Guys, thanks for watching, and I hope you guys try, and please have a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, just enjoy it all, and yeah, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks guys, bye.